Johar, enghay name Andy Rai. Ekasera Adarnim. Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Kurukh language.
Kurukh Katha, Kurukh Bhakha, Urao.
Kurukh is the native language spoken by the Kurukh tribe, also known as the Urao, who primarily inhabit the Chotanagpur Plateau in eastern India, across the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Bihar. Due to migration for plantation work during the British era, significant Kurukh-speaking populations are also found in modern-day Bangladesh, particularly in the Rajshahi, Rangpur, and Sylhet divisions, as well as in southeastern parts of Nepal. Additionally, notable communities exist in the Indian states of Assam, Tripura, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Kurukh belongs to the Dravidian language family, specifically the North Dravidian branch, making it a sister of Paharia and a more distant relative of Brahui spoken in Pakistan. Despite its Dravidian roots, Kurukh has been heavily influenced by neighboring Munda and Eastern Indo-Aryan languages. Today, the language faces vulnerability due to the dominance of regional languages and limited state support. While Kurukh is primarily a spoken language, efforts have been made to create native scripts to preserve and promote literacy within the community. Two scripts have been developed, Kurukh Bana and Tolongsiki. These writing systems are intended to provide Kurukh speakers with culturally rooted methods of reading and writing their language, helping to reinforce identity and heritage in the face of language endangerment. The Kurukh people, traditionally known as Urao, are an indigenous tribal group with a strong connection to nature and the land. They primarily live as agriculturalists, cultivating rice and foraging from forests for wildflowers, mushrooms, leafy greens, insects, and more. Their society is clan-based, with each clan typically named after an animal, bird, or natural element. Important life events such as births, marriages, and deaths are accompanied by rituals that invoke the spirits of ancestors. Kurukh oral traditions, including folk songs, stories, and arts, express a deep bond with the environments and ancestral heritage. Kurukh cultural life is deeply tied to Sarnaism. Their traditional faith centered around the worship of nature, forests, hills, water bodies, animals, birds, and ancestor spirits are all considered sacred, with Dharmes revered as the supreme deity. Worship takes place in a sarna, a sacred grove often centered around a sal tree. Key festivals such as Khadi or Sarhul, Karam, and Sohrai mark important seasonal and agricultural cycles. These occasions are celebrated with traditional dances to the rhythms of drums, rice beer, and feasts that often include meat such as beef, pork, and snails. Khadi marks the new year with the blossoming of sal flowers. Karam honors the Karam tree deity through songs and folklores, and Sohrai is dedicated to honoring cattle for their service. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
Horma alar kundranati ajad dara saput ara hak guthinu ontam talnar arin lur ara jia gahi lakhna khakriki rai dara arin tamhai majhinu bhair lekha ବ୍ୟବହାର nanana chahi.
Numbers.
Ond, End, Mund, Nach, Panche, Soy, Sai, Ach, Nay, Doi.
Greetings and phrases.
Johar, O Laggi, Dao Pairi, Dao Putbiri, Dao Macha, Ekasara Ade, Ekasara Di, Kodem Kodem, Aur Ning, Ningai Ender Name, Enghai Name, Andy Rai, Ni Nexte Talde, Ni Nexte Taldi, En Mahua Darti Higdan, En Mahua Darti Hikken, Nin Kuduknu Kasna Kharde Ka, Nin Kuduknu Kasna Khardi Ka, Hai, Hao, Malla, Juk Juk, En Bujurdan, En Bujaren, En Ma Bujurdan, En Ma Bujaren, En Ningan Chonhanandan, En Ningan Chonhananen.
Vocabulary.
En, Nin, Em, Nam, Neem, Is, As, Eid, Ad, Ir, Ar, Alas, मेतस आली मुक्का आलर जोखस पिल्लो बबस अयो खद्दस खद्दा संगिस संगी कुक चुट्टी खन खिप्दा मुई बई पल खिक्खा खिड अल्लाह बिरखा किस अड्डो मनखा मिक्खो एड़ा लकड़ा तिग्गा ओड़ा खैर गेड़े खाखा इंजो निर उल्ला माखा इन्ना नेला चेरो चान बछर साहे बिड़ी चंदो बिंको परता टोड़ों मन अथखा पूंप पद्दा एड़पा लूरगुड़िया डहरे फाबे मंडी अस्मा अमखी खंजपा आहड़ा ओसा पुटू बी दुधी इसुं चिच अम ताका खेखिल मेरखा दरिया खाड़ खैसो लील हरियर बालका मोखारो पंडरू इंद्रा इंद्रगे ने एकाबिरी एकसन एकासे एमुदा नगद दाव मालदाव लेंगा तीना बहरी भित्री उला मुंधारे खोखा बच्चा पूना
The Lord's Prayer.
एम्हाय मेरखंता बंगायो निंघाय नामे नेम्हामन आनेकम निंघाय राजी बर आनेकम निंघाय इच्छा एकासे मेरखानु मनी अन्ने खेखेलनु मन आनेकम एम्हाय दिन की मंडी इन्ना एमचे आ और एम एकासे तंगा गुन्हारे नंबदम अन्नेम एम्हाय गुन्हा नंबा और एमन नाद गही फंदेनु अमके खतर आचे आ बचकन बैरिंती एमन बचा बा आमेन।
Sample text.
ఈసప్స్ గహి ఖీరి ఉట్ఠితి ముñా అరా ఎక్క ఉందుల్ ఉంటే ముñాగా ఉంటే ఎక్క గహి లొట్లొట్రనాగే అదిన్ మెలా లగ్యాస్ నీన్ ఎకాబిరెం అర్ట్స్ద ఎక్సనెం ఎన్నే అల్ఖర్ అల్ఖర్ కి మెంజస్ హఈ బాచస్ ఎక్క और नीने ओदा सोच आलदे आ तिहु चाणे आर्ट्सदन अपटानु बोंगोन होले ए दोंची ओन निंगन एक्का गने बोंगना अपटा गही कत्थन मेनर की मुñा रिद्रा लग्यास पहीं बेचना खत्री हाव बाचस अंती असन एका खोरखोरा राचस आस रायबड़ी ननागे सैगुटी मंजस एवदा गच्छर ई अदिन टूडियस दरा बोंगुरिन हेला वाचस उडुमनु मुñा इथराहुमा इथरेस दरा एक्का गही ओंटे मुñा गने बोंगा तुक्कागे असिन और मेरला खत्री आस डहरे हेद्देनु बेडरर की खंद्रा लग गयस एक्का गही बरना बूटी आखने एक्का रासे रासे पहें पखटा कानुम राचस दरा जुक बिरी खोखा मुñा गही खंद्रणा डनहू कट्टेयस पहें मुñागा खन्ने एखनुम राचस अंती एका बिरी चुड्डानु आस चोचस आविरी एक्कागा मुंजा गुसन राचस अक्कुन मुñा बोंगेस चप्प्यस पहें दाव बेड़ानु एक्कन कट्टा पुल्लेयस आपटा उर्मी बिरी चप्पुरगे मल्ला